Hi, hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to stop laptop from overheating while gaming. Then step by step follow it to solve this problem. Okay. Then first solution for get restart your PC. Then wait for the 15 minutes and you will increase the 30 minutes. Okay. After get open to get check this problem for not fix it to continue to the more steps. Okay. Then next step for end task the high resource resource usage the bio task manager. Then get to open the task manager. Then check the CPU and memory. You will waste usage appings for background running to you will right click to end task and click to end task. Okay, anyone you will to set it. Then next step for run the power troubleshooter. Get to open the settings, you will click to the update and security, you will select the troubleshooter, you will click to the additional troubleshooters, then see the new page of Intel, click the run as troubleshooter for power. Then you will run as troubleshooter to you will checking the any one problem to get fix it. Okay. Then next step for undo overclocking. Then get open the settings, then click to the time and language. You will set the date and time for you will set time automatically to this is a problem for solve it. Okay. Then next step for update the device drivers and update the windows. Get open the device manager. This is your notification for notify the this yellow triangle mark to any one driver. This error to get right click to update driver. Okay, or you will update driver to this is the not fix it to get uninstalled to get reinstalled this driver. I will example then you will any one driver to this yellow triangle mark showing to you will get fix this problem. Okay, then next were update the windows. You will search the solution for modify the power settings. Here to open the control panel, click to the system and security, click to the power options, click the edit the power settings to you will set it the change the advanced power settings, then click to select it to see the this page, then you will select the progress for power management processor for power management. You will set it to you will see the minimum process state on battery for 5%, you will change the 5%. Maximum for 100%, you will change to get apply, get OK. Then next step for install the graphics driver. This is the older graphics driver to get uninstall to reinstall the graphics driver. Okay. Then final step for check the laptop condition. This is the old laptop to this problem for maximum issues. Then new laptop to this 7 service brings you to this problem for solve it. Okay, then I will example for this is the not solved to pin the command. I will tell the more steps. Okay, then thank you for watching.